Step 1. Use the scale indicator to track the distance on a chart. Scales are expressed as ratios and differ from map to map. The scale printed in the upper right corner of the map will look something like 1 to 100,000. A ratio of 1 to 10,000 indicates that every 1 in 2.5 cm. The map equals to 10,000 in 25,000 cm in the real world.
Thank you, sir.
Charts with smaller scales provide an up-close view depicting more area details and markers. If you're familiar with land maps, the scale works the same way there. A harbor chart is an example of a small-scale chart. Navigators need a close view of the harbor with all the obstructions and other details. Larger charts shows land and waterways but few additional details. Step 2. Find the unit of measurement used to indicate water depth. Look in the upper right corner of the map near the scale. You will see the unit of measurement printed in big letters. You need to know this because charts use all sorts of different measurements. Step 3. Read the chart numbers to figure out the water's lowest depth. The black numbers printed on the chart represent water depth. Each number indicates the mean low water in an area. This is the average water depth at low tide. So most of the time, the water is deeper than what you see on chart. If you see a negative number, that means the water depth in the area is typically less than what it is listed on the chart. Step 4. Multiply fathoms by 6 to measure depths by feet. Numbers written in fathoms have a unique look to them, so they are easy to spot. A fathom listing often consists of a pair of numbers. The first number indicates the numbers of fathoms. The second number, which will be a small subscript, is the number of additional feet. Step 5. Multiply meter measurements by 3 to convert them to feet. For uniformity and simplicity, many modern charts use meters. This can be tough to understand if you're used to measurements in feet or fathoms. Multiplying by 3 is a quick way to get a relatively accurate estimate of the water's depth.